Not. Ma'am. Okay, good evening to all. Can you able to hear me? Yes, I'll have to co-host my team members and we'll begin the session in a minute. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Very good evening, 100% here, and I'm really happy to be a presenter and a person who can welcome each one of you for today's webinar session. On behalf of the Department of Psychology, American College, Madurai, and our associating institutions like Madras Plus Social of Chennai, M.H. Chelamukhi Institute of Madurai, and Redmond Education Psychology Research Center, I welcome each one of you for today's webinar session. Today's topic is very interesting one, and I can say the virtues or wisdom, whatever you can term it, kindness. Kindness is a wealth of wealth, or you can say that a master key for our wellness. Today I'm going to just share my bit of learning and knowledge about kindness with you all for another 45 minutes. And after that, we will have a discussion, a brief discussion about today's presentation. And with that note, I can begin my presentation, and thank you for being here and supporting our initiative to all the supporters. Yeah, before begin my presentation, I would like to ask basic questions to each one of you here. You can unmute yourself. You can use answer, or else you can just type your answers in the chat box. What do you mean by kindness? What do you mean by kindness? Yes, anyone? You can give your answers in the chat box. Yes, good evening to all. Yes, I'm seeing that many good evening message in the chat box. What do you mean by kindness? The basic question. Yes. Yeah, thank you. Being good to others. Thank you so much. Being cordial, lovely. Yes, any others? Empathetic, lovely, lovely. So I will move on to that. Just I'm going to begin decode that my topic today. Kindness, a master key to wellness. I'm going to decode it and then we'll discuss about it. And here, when you look at that any standard, it's about me. You can very well aware about me. Here, I think they given that there are Hinduja and Dr. Supasri also given input for the term kindness. When you look at that, the kindness is a quality of being, the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. Is a common term we can find out. When you look at that, the equivalent term for kindness, I think it goes around. I thought it will be 3 to 4, 5 terms, but what I found that it is there more than 25 words are there. The equivalent term for that kindness alone, and in general layman perspective, we can understand here. Kindness is a type of behavior, and we all know that the emotions, thought, and then behavior. Kindness is a behavior, and some people I confused. Some people they may confused about the term kindness. When I ask them, kindness is a behavior or emotion. Some of them, when I was interacted with them, they told me that it is an emotion, but actually it is a behavior. It is a behavior we can see act of generosity. When someone need of help, and then if you help those person, that comes under kindness. And next one is consideration. When I think in front of you there are two persons are there, and they are requesting something from you, and you consider and giving to the needy people at the first. Who need first? And you all know that when the COVID-19 in the peak time, the doctors were conservative. They find out that whom it should be given important. And next one is concern for others. Kindness is concern for others without expecting prize or reward from the person. For example, many people think that kindness means when we do something we will get back. No, it's not a kindness at all. Kindness is something without expecting, just giving something to somebody else. The prize or reward, we can say that is unkindness. And as I said in the beginning itself, when you found that the kindness in synonyms term or equivalent term, and I found that in number of terms. Just see here: benevolent, care, compassion, concern, courtesy, friendliness, gentleness, goodness, goodwill, grace, gracious, heart, helpfulness, and a lot more terms you can. I found that I just if you want to know that kindness, you can do other terms also. You'll get the importance of kindness and hospitality. And we can say that we Indians are very uh, more comfortable and very good in that hospitality. When someone comes, then we will be very good in that. And loving somebody else and neighborly, very close to that person, patience, philanthropic, sweetness, sympathy, tenderness, thoughtfulness, tolerance, understanding, and unselfishness. When you equal it to that particular kindness, these are the terms, and then you can understand that when a word has a more number of words, which has see the importance of it. Anything if it is an important, it has a more words. Okay, and I hope you all understand that what I'm trying to say here. And next one is about many people they believe that someone is an kind people is an weak person or a naive person who may not aware about that, so he is very kind to somebody else. But researchers are very clear, and they are even that wisdom and virtues are very clearly mentioned about it. A weak person never shows the kindness. It's not a symbol of weakness. Or a person anything not know, then they only do that kindness to somebody else. No, kindness is an important quality. You can find it in that uh, courage and strength. Who can able to show that kindness? A person who has courage and strength only can able to show the kindness. As I said, don't think about that kindness is a quality or trait of a person who is weak. No, it is a trait or a quality of a person who has courage and strength in their life. And next one is kindness is an both interpersonal and intrapersonal state. And when you unless if you have that kindness towards you and others, you cannot have that relationship. It's a skill, I can say. When you take that, it is a lengthy one. I will explain it. When you take that animals or birds, whatever it may be, the nurturing for that newborn, the human beings are has a more longer durations. 10 months pampering that care will be provided to that offspring. In our DNA itself, it is inbuilt that it is imbibed that kindness in our all the human beings. All the human beings are imbibed. Kindness you cannot inseparate from that human beings. See, many people say that kindness is very important, but generally they may say that in the backyard when they were in the practice they may not show it, but they will say about it it's important. Most of the leaders they will do that. But if you say that you are a human being and you must have that it is there within you, only thing you have to tap it. That's all. And it has a more straightforward meaning for the term kindness. What is that? It is an empathy, acceptance of kind gestures from somebody else you love him, and thoughtfulness. Someone is saying some quality, and you see from that. Kindness is something it's showing understanding from their perspective. Kindness is something doing nice to somebody who is there nearby you or somebody who is seeking help from their problem. And next one is when you want to become a nice person or a kind person, mostly they will say that I want to become a kind person rather than nice. Why? Because kindness is beyond that quality of nice person. Then when you look at that kind person and nice person is the only the self quality will be predominant. selfless quality you can find out that kindness people. That's why we want to label as a kind. He is a kind person. The road we longing for it, we striving towards it. And one more thing, being kind is a very easiest task for human being, but unkind is very difficult for human being. There are many people are trying very difficult one being unkind to others. It's very difficult because, as I said, in the DNA itself, we are having that kindness in our DNA. And someone who is trying to practice unkind because they are trying very hard to have that quality. And the kindness is a movement, and we can see that someone is somewhere doing something good for somebody else. It's a chain reaction. It's a chain reaction. When you do something, a small goodness, a butterfly effect, or when the ripple effect, they will say that when you do small, I think I found one of the movie recently, the Telugu movie, it's very popular, which talk about only kindness. They will say that we may thought that I'm doing a small thing to somebody else. What kind of impact it will make to other people? And you can see that it reaches the same cause in a bigger manner. When you do a small thing, it will come back to us a bigger one. The only thing is we have to start it. And there are many courses we are having that, I have to start first. There are many people are there, they will start first and then I will do the follow it. There are many of us here are human beings are followers rather than doers. They are not able to come forward to begin that act of kindness. And I can say, don't expect others and become a role model and observe others. Begin yourself, and what are the good things kind to others, begin, and then the people who observe, maybe start from your home. Your children will observe from you, and then they will spread to other members. We all are focused to being kind. And then when you take that, there are many challenges that made. And there are many, you can take that the number of quotes I can say. I'm going to give one of the interesting thing I think many of you may surprise about that the coming slides. That wise man and that 4,000 years back who talked about the importance of kindness. And important quality you can see, kind is love, love is kind. You cannot separate these two terms. And the meaning, when we get the meaning of these two terms, what is kind and then love? Kind is on selfless. Kindness is on selflessness. Even love, you can put it the love also selflessness. Caring, compassionate, and unconditional kind to that other person is in love. Vice versa also it is applicable. And it's not about it's understanding, it's about feeling it. Love is on feeling. Am I right? I think each one of you, those are attending, you all accept it. Kindness is not a understanding, it is a feeling. When you do that, you have to feel it. And when you is to have a peaceful mind, you have to practice the power of kindness in your daily practices. And kindness is a grace. I think everyone will not have. Only the person who are blessed will have this quality. When you want to maintain, I think we are having that many hardship and conflict problem in our life. And abuse and many things. But when you want to come out from those things, it's not a revenge about it. It may be kind to those people because they may not aware of what they are doing. And that kind of understanding, the higher level of understanding you have to develop as a human being. And then I can say we were not given importance to those stuff. And it is about brief introduction I'm given. As I said, kindness and Tirukkural. And I wonder, I'm taken only a small portion of Tirukkural components only for kindness. But when I researched, I found that these things were talked in the Padinen Keelkanakku movie, which is a literature in Tamil, which were talked lot about kindness and why we need to practice it. They given that all the details in their presentation. So one of the Adhikaram they called in Tirukkural. Okay, Tirukkural is an ancient Tamil literature where it is given to that for our quality of life. You can fix it to anybody else. I can say it is a Bible for positive psychology. You cannot say that positive psychology people are formed and they try to form a CSV, character strength and virtues. Why they formed a CSV manual? To against that DSM, diagnostic and statistical manual for psychological disorders to equate to make an equivalent positive people, because when you take at a time mentally ill people or mentally disordered people in at a time, you can find it maximum 20%. Maximum, I'm giving that large number. And remaining 80% that they are not comes under that category. And we focusing on only these category. Why not that majority of the people not getting benefit out of it? The psychology. And the positive psychology came. And this was the thought of that, and the father of positive psychologist Martin Seligman, to come up with that CSV, character, strength, and virtues. It is a manual for cultivating that positive quality and character in an individual. And this is the thing, when you look at that Tirukural, which were given that 3,000 years back, somebody is saying that 5,000 years back, and that we given that all the things, these things were already presented, I can say, based on my understanding. Underline, based on my understanding, Tirukural is a Bible, or we can say a manual for positive psychology. It's not a treatment process, it is a prevention manual. The first couplet you can see. In Tirukural, you can see couplet. The first stanza and the first line has in a stanza, you can find out 4 lines in the first line. First line and second line, you can see 3 words, first line 4 words. This is the way you can find out. In the Kural Arupchellam, the benevolence of the possession of benevolence, the possession of kindness, it is otherwise called kindness, the possession of kindness. They said that what is kindness? Who is a wealthy person? Who is a wealthy person? You can say a person who is having more money, who is free from illness. Right? Here he said that the richest of riches is kindliness. The richest of riches. Name it in the number 1 richest person in the world. You can name, you can say anybody. The number 1 richest person in India, Mukesh Ambani. But he is not a richest person. The richest person is the person who is more kind and who has a kindliness in their life. The first term itself is 7. Even others, you can see, have any other possessions which you have proved that any more are not a person, you will not be called as a wealthy person. See, the first couplet, that couplet itself, he very clearly mentioned about the importance and the quality of practicing kindness. And in the second one, I think this we will have a separate session. Just I will put a run through. And as I said, there are many Tirukural as an importance of kindness. So just pick up these things. We will have a separate session for Tirukural and kindness in a day. And there are many components we need to discuss. So I just scrolled up. Okay, we'll move on to that. What are the facts are there? I think we all know that evolution theory. The father of evolution theory is Darwin. Okay, he said that he believed that we are a profoundly social and caring species in existing. Human beings are social animals and caring species. Why he mentioned that? Because he argued that sympathy and caring for others is an instinctual. It's an instinct. We are saying that if you see somebody else, someone is suffering, you feel that somewhat, okay, whether I can be able to help you. The sympathy we will have, the kindness toward that person, we experience it. Sometimes you may found that someone seeking help, and you at that time, at the moment, you may not have the money. When you come back at home, you feel for them. That is kindness. That is the kindness. And even the Darwin insisted that it is there in our instinctual. That's why in the beginning itself we discussed about the DNA itself, we are having the kindness. And when you look at the kindness and well-being and wellness, earlier we never had much research and its benefit out of kindness practice in our daily life. Now we are having n number of findings. You can see the current research support that in science. Then so they given that a person who is practicing or showing kindness to other people, they are having lasting well-being in their life. They are having that lasting well-being. And the people who were in a marriage, and you can see the number of cases were filed in court for divorce is increasing day by day, and there are many broken relationships still sustaining because of they had children. But the person who has this quality, the kindness quality, and the researchers found that it is one of the important predictor. Kindness is not there, and there is a high chances are that the relationship may be broken. The marriage will not be sustained. The stability of marriage will not be there if they are not having the quality of kindness. Think about it. Why they are making divorce? There is a conflict between one and another. Yes, yes, Dr. Chandra. And kindness and education. Now, there are many institutions. Why I given many colleges, Harvard University, because we were aware of that developed country, they are having institutions. They included in the admission form itself, admission application itself. It is one of the important quality. Kindness, you have to, so how you will show, how will you express your kindness to others? What are the way you can develop? These were the persons were included in that admission form. The repeated institution itself. And as I said, it is inherent. Yale University, they conducted a game among the kids. Okay, they given the thing, the babies, and they found that the kindness is an inherent in a human being. When they were having someone is eating, they are very kind towards other people, other babies, and they were fell down, and then they are very caring about it. They were not taught anything about the kindness, but they practiced. And another study conducted by Barbara Taylor and Adam Phillips, they stress the importance of having adult kindness. When the people found that when they were matured enough, the realization is on being kind. But what is going on at present when the person over a period of time, the kindness is coming down in an individual, but it is a wrong notion, and it is because of wrong understanding about it. That is the finding insisted that when you become an adult, you must be more kind. And we think that kindness is only for helping, or when you feel about that suffering of others, is that is the only component of kindness. No, kindness involved is when you happy for others, when someone is full-heartedly, when someone is successful, when you found some quality, and you celebrate with those people, and that's also comes under kindness. And one of the researcher, Cartman, he found that in his research. In his research, he very clearly mentioned that kindness is when someone is celebrating the success, when you being a part of it, and you support that celebration, the victory of the person, that is also kindness. Kindness is openly happy for other person's success. And we can see nowadays, we can see that someone, neighbors or some relatives are growing in a bigger manner, they will not very cordial towards them. Jealous, negative feeling is there. And if you are jealous, nothing will come to you. You only have that unhappiness if you hold it. But when you feel that, okay, this person is neighbor, he is very successful, and then when you allow that, that's some kindness. If you are not showing that you are a cruel person, and kindness is an expressing truth, you're telling the truth in a gentle and polite manner. Politeness when in the beginning itself. And when someone is doing something, and you found that the particular quality need to be refined, just make a call to them and then say. So these things need to be the accurate feedback, and in a way you can express your thought to the person who can able to make a change. If needed, understand that there are many people I found that even if you do some good thing, they will say that no, even better you can do that. So no, if you found something in that component, if possible, a particular component only you need to inform. And courage in that even receive that truthful feedback. It's a key component of growth and flexible thinking. It can be done. A person who is very kind, that person only will do that. And kindness and self. It is very important questions. If I ask you, there are many people I found that were a social activist. They are kind towards other people. They are kind towards animals, but they are not kind towards themselves. They are not kind towards themselves. These things I have witnessed. There are many people. I can say one of the person I have seen personally. He is a farmer association member, I think, something. He belongs to that communist party. He never take a food, and P.R. Pandyan, I would like to say this. When I was there in Kumbhakonam, I saw how he was working for the benefit of farmers. I was there only 3 years. Okay. So kindness is not only for others, being kind to yourself. How many of us we treat ourselves kindly? And the word something, when you do something wrong, what are the word you are using for yourself? Whether you are motivating yourself, okay, you have done something bad, okay, next time you will improve it. Are you saying that? If not, if you have not practiced it, hereafter, speak gently and kind towards yourself. We have to be very kind to ourselves. We have to take care of ourselves. And that is one of the important values that improves our satisfaction in our life as well as improves the strength in the relationship. When you look at that, grandmother and grandmother and grandchildren are more very high in relationship. Why? Because of kindness. The value between these two is very high. You can see that. And kindness is not something that demand hard work. No, it originates from the simple act of doing no harm to others. Yeah. If you are not able to do something good for others, don't harm others. That is a small thing you can do that. Simple thing we can do that. And kindness is not a language of deaf. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. It is what a remarkable quote I can say. Mark Twain. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear it. A blind can see it. And we may say that I am a kind person, but no. Other person must experience and then they have to feel it. For a layman perspective to understand the kindness, sometimes accidentally we may bite our tongue. Okay, will the tongue will fight with that teeth? I'm asking. So what we will do? Likewise, there are many times there are people nearby surrounding us. They hurt us. They give a problem to us, and we have to develop in a state of mind and don't do the same thing to other people. What they done to us, don't do that. The kind people will not do that. They will forgive them when they were sometimes that there is something between the teeth. The tongue will help us to remove. Even that there are many times it may bite the tongue. That is a kindness. The layman perspective, we can understand that there are many acts of kindness are there. We can practice. We can say in a way kind words. Kind words. When someone is there, there are two words are there. Which one would you like to say? Harsh one or a kind one? Go for kind one. Smile. Random. There are many people they are not doing it. Being smile in your face when you express it, then that also is a part of kindness. Opening a door somebody is needed, helping someone who is carrying, celebrating someone they love, giving honest compliment them, appreciating them, thanking them, and how they are special to you, just express it. There are many people, they may not reveal what they think about others. Help the elderly people when they were needed. And take somebody, these are I'm giving some of the examples of random act of kindness. You can do your own creative way and do something. Share your food item. I think we had a habit of when I was doing, when I was serving at Rajiv Gandhi National Institute at Sriperumbudur, where Dr. Subhasri and other members will come up with the food item we will have, then they will share with us. Don't pass it. Don't say something bad about other people. Unless, even though they are very bad about it, what's the role in it you are saying to somebody else? We were in a way, we are trained in a way. Recently, I found one of the person who come forward to spread that importance of language. And she's there in the other country, developed countries, she's having very good money. I can say Dr. Subhasini, the Tamil Heritage Foundation president. And I can see there are some loose-minded people, unkind people, they are giving a baseless comment about her. Unwanted things. Don't do that. If you are not doing something good for the initiative taken by somebody else, why you do these kind of things? And I really very sad about those people. I think her remarkable thing is it is recorded. Like I can say, as per my understanding, she's like Avaya. One day, not now. And a very pity thing, and right now I can found that we human beings are not appreciating the current scenario. When someone is doing something good at present, we are not having that mindset to appreciate the people. And we appreciate who what has done long back. These kind of word practice, we are story, we are saying it, but we are not doing the practice. I can say do that practice. If you have the cloth, excessive cloth, give it to somebody else. There are some people they never give it. No, this is mine. I never give it to anybody else. Okay, these are the practice we can go with, and we will discuss about the benefit of kindness. As now I said that why we need to that. I'm going to just spell out some of the benefit out of being kind. And these were the research findings. When you are kind towards yourself and others, that increases your happiness. It increases your happiness, and we human beings are longing and striving towards happiness. If you want to become happy, to practice kindness. Excuse me. Excuse me. And some of the studies were proven that kindness increases our self-esteem. And we are thinking that one of the hierarchy of needs set by Abraham Maslow, after your basic needs, then secondary needs are self-esteem. After love and relationship, self-esteem. When you kind towards others, you are, and they will say that he was very kind to other people. Even he is very kind to that animal. He is very kind to that nature. That he preserves, he protects the nature in this area. It increases empathy. It is one of the important quality for the service sector people, the teachers, psychologists, and the policemen. And you must possess these qualities. and it compassionate, and improves our mood. And sometimes there are many complain about, no, I'm not feeling good most of the time. Not having that good mood in my life. If so, you are not having that adequate level of kindness practice in your day, in your life. And kindness, healthy heart. If you have a heart problem, it is because you are cruel and unkind to anyone, most of the people. If you say that there is a person having that heart problem, that means they are not having that expected level of kindness in their daily life. And you can, if you want to be free from that heart-related diseases, practice kindness. And kindness slow down the aging process. There's another interesting study. Being kind towards others, and when you want to using that age reducing ailment and other food items, you can go for practicing kindness in your life. And the kindness is contagious. We have to understand that when someone is, if you are kind to it, it will make a positive effect. And our brain had in a way, when you see kindness, and then other people will do practice same it. That's why when you do the small thing in a crowded place, good thing, and it will spread in a bigger manner to all other people. Many people it will reach. And earlier, as I said, a few studies were mentioned that for long-lasting relationship, kindness that improves relationship and connections. And you check your relationship, how it is there. You need to be batches. You need to put a batches, like practice kindness. And indirectly, it boosts our health in many ways. And you can see that there are some people think that kindness is only for that religious people. Only because there are many religious insisting that be kind to others. It changes the moral value. The religious way and spiritual way only you have to practice. No. Can be done anybody else. I will give one example. The dog, unconditional love and kindness we can listen from that. And cats also showing kindness to other animals. And you have seen that some of the WhatsApp video and then social media, I found that other animals feeding that offspring of other animals, not a dog to dog, dog to cat. These things we may encounter and see that. And kindness broaden our life frame of reference. And when we, it is an important value, I can say, when we receive it and when we give it. And there is another interesting in the benefit I can see. Okay, I will ask a basic question here before explaining this. Please tell me how many percentage of our body, what are the compositions are there in our body? Which one is very high in an individual? How many percentage of water is there in human being? Okay, in that way I can ask. 72%. Lovely, sir. Lovely. Any others? Any guess? Any guess? 70? Okay. Okay, okay. We can make a guess. I'm not going to give any mark for you. Okay, you can see here the study conducted by Dr. Masaru Yamato, a Japanese researcher. He conducted a series of examination of natural effect of words. For yes, can you able to hear me? Someone please let me know. Okay, okay, Dr. Veena. Just a minute, I will make them to host now. Can you able to see my screen? Okay, there is a power cut in my place. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Still it is loading. Yes. Yeah. He conducted that the words we are using and prayers and the music which has an impact on the structure of water. What he found that express that positive word and the loving words when we convey and what kind of impact it make on water, he found that there is the positive energy, it has a particular structure. And the negative words and that has a different structure, it is an uncomponent. And you can see our body is made up of 70% of made up of water. I think many of you give the right answer here, Slochana and Jodi are also. And kindness has a direct impact on our immediate health. Immediate it is a direct impact. And another author by he said that we kindness we have to make an self-acceptance and for improving our relationship. Here there is one more quote given by Henry James. He said that 3 things in human life are very, very important. The first one is to be kind. The second one is to be kind. And third one is to be kind. I hope you all understand that there are 3 things that are very important for a human being. The first one is to be kind. The second one is to be kind. And third one is to be kind. And Dalai Lama is a religious leader of Buddhism. And he said that my religion is not a Buddhism. It's very simple. My religion is kindness. He said. And psychologists also believe that it has a huge impact. And there are, I think in a way, I think I would like to quote these things here. Now we are living in a era of technology. We are exposed and we are utilizing technology and social media. We are using it. Sometimes we may put a word in a way we never thought about what kind of the impact it will make on other person. We are uncruel to other people. You ask yourself whether this kind of comment, if you receive, how you will react it. How you will react it. The same way you can do that. And then I hope you all understand the importance of it. And I'll move on to that. When we hurt somebody, heart is hurt. And every time we honor our own struggle and the struggles of others by responding with empathy and compassion, the healing process will be very quick, very, very quick in one person. And Mother Teresa, I think she's a symbol of kindness. And she states, people are often unreasonable, illogical, and self-centered. Forgive them and anyway. If you are kind, people may accuse you for selfish, ulterior motives, and be kind anyway. Even if you are kind, they may put these kind of words. And kindness has a huge effect, as you all know, that butterfly effect, the chaos theory. And you can go it, and a small butterfly, what kind of change it will make, and it has a huge impact. Will be likewise, you can do some good thing right now, and it has a huge impact on other people. And another 2 slides I will just make. And what are the things kindness will increase? It will increase your energy, your love hormones, your lifespan, pleasure, happiness, the serotonin hormone, sense of connectivity and relationship. These were the things were increased when you have the kindness. What other things will be decreases? Your pain will be decreased, your stress will be decreased, your anxiety will be decreased, your depression level will be decreased, your blood pressure and cortisol level, other unwanted thing will be decreased. And now I'll take another 5 to 7 minutes. What are the strategies we can adapt to practice kindness in our life? Okay, practice affirmation. What are the affirmation means? Positive affirmation. You say that good, what you have done is amazing, and do the visualization of kindness towards others. So what kind of these are the practice we can make it the first strategy. And second one is engage in community service activities. And if you are a student, you can be part of NSS social service, and if not, and you can find it in a community forum, and there you can involve yourself and then serve for others. Make kindness a conscious choice, and every day you have to make a consciousness when you decide. In front of you, if you have then unkind activities are there, and make it conscious. No, I want to do that. Make as a principle, and practice kindness towards others. That increases many benefits. You practice it kindness towards other people, and participate in act of kindness challenges, right? Like ice bucket challenge. I think when most of the people who are started these things, and some people they started with rice bucket challenge. They given that needy people, they given the rice bucket to needy people, and read books about the kindness. And another strategy, if you want to practice and if you know that impact it may come, read books and other content related to kindness, and random act of kindness. Somewhere you can do somewhere. I mean, 100 things you can do, one or two things. Random act of kindness you can practice in your life, and compliment the first three people you talk to. And in a day, you decided every day. Every day I will have the habit of that. If the first three people I meet them, I will compliment them. Whatever the thing they do that, do the practice, and write a handwritten note to someone. Everybody, every day, someone. You just do something good for others, and say good morning to the person. I think I can say that many people they are not doing it. They are expecting someone will say and then they will reciprocate. Begin that simple thing. This is a kindness. And in public places, and you found somewhere in a working space and academic space, there is a litter. You just take it, clean the place. Just 10 minutes in a day. And Japan has that quality. They imbibe this quality in that early ages itself. Dedicate 24 hours and just make another strategy. You dedicate 24 hours to spread the positivity on social media. I think social media spreading hate and other thing you are doing it. But hereafter you can do that. Another 24 hours, I'm going to spread that only positivity. Do that. And hold up inspiring signs somewhere and somewhere else in public places. Hold up that inspiring signs and during the rush hours. And send a flower gift to your friend or you or whoever the people who you love, and leave stick notes. It may be in a workplace or some notes you can put a notes. You say them you are good in that. Anonymously you can do that. And anonymously you can write a letter to somebody else you like it, but you don't want to say, your ego is not allowing to express that. You do that anonymously and then send it to them. Smile with the random people, and very wisely, and you can do that. Use more positive words in a day rather than the negative ones. Be model to other people to show the kindness to others, and celebrate kindness week. And it may be an academic or workplace or whatever it may be. You fix on a particular week. Okay, this week is we are going to celebrate kindness. These are the strategy we are going to practice it. And create a friendship and kindness center. If it is an academic places or even that community center, you can just make a forum like that. They create challenges like spread kindness. Okay, I have done these things. We plan to spread these things. And when you post it for competing with you, they will do better for more kindness to other people. And set a goal of compassion each morning, every day morning. Yes, I want to do that. So you have to check. These are the strategies you can adapt. Be kind to yourself first. Okay, and there are many strategies also you can adapt for teaching your kids. Um, one is here. I can say that role modeling. Be kind to ourselves. Practice, practice, practice. Say thank you to anybody who has done. So these are the strategies you can, as a teacher, as a parent, you can teach your kids. With that note, I can stop my presentation. Thank you so much for listening my presentation regarding that the kindness, a master key to wellness. Thank you all, and thank you so much. Yes, Dr. Veena. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. 1 minute, I will make your son. Just. Yes, I made him now. Oh, yes, Dr. Veena.
So kind of you, sir, for unmuting me. An excellent presentation and so true. Like love and kindness are two things which, when you give it to others, they feel blessed, and the person who gives also feel blessed. Thank you so much, and you have very beautifully explained the strategies to improve kindness as well. Nothing, a simple kind word will definitely change your entire day. That
Yes.
one simple kind word has that huge impact on us. What apart from the strategies you have told, a simple good morning message, it's not about saying good morning or not. It shows like how much you really appreciate the other person, how much you really are concerned about the other person. So one good morning will bring that smile to that person and will make the entire day beautiful for them. So probably you could do that small random act of kindness. Thank you so much. And participants, the floor is open for question and answers.
And
You could type the questions in the chat box, or if you have any questions, you could type your name in the chat box so that we can unmute you.
some of you may not unmute yourself, yes, sir. Though they are internet, I will unmute you. You can. Yes, now we can. Yes, I can see that messages from Jyoti Armugam and Slochana,
Yes, sir.
Debiga, Induja.
Yes, they are all about their gratitude for this session.
Yes,
And,
yes.
sir, one question. Sometimes people take our kindness as our weakness. So how to overcome that?
We have to, being kind is not making people aware about what we are feeling. Okay, when you feel uncomfortable with that act they have done, you just inform them. And if you feel that in a polite way, as I said, in a kind, not in a tough manner, you can just make it in a way they can able to understand.
I think the chat box is flooded with feedbacks. Excellent presentation as usual, sir. This is a new perspective. So probably everyone would have understood the concept of kindness, I think. So it is all about practicing kindness. To really know what it is about. So thanks for those tips. Yes. From Srinivasan sir, the feedback is excellent presentation as only you can do it.
Thank you, sir. Vishal Muge. Thank you, sir. Chandra. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I decided to have a separate session on Tirukural and kindness, Tirukural and compassion. So when I was preparing, I found that these kind of things were already there. And even positive psychology, they are claiming, which was initiated only in the year 1998, but they are claiming that it is a new one and it comes from their mind. When I look at that, as I aware about it, I read, I found that these are the things were already taught, already there in the day of discussed. And old wine in a new bottle. Yes, that's all. And they are making in a way it is unprecedented. In a way they are presenting it in a appropriate forum. That's why we are having that positive psychology. I hope positive psychology is there in our blood itself. Is there in our language itself, I can say. That's what I can say.
Sir, Induja ma'am wants to make.
Yeah, that Chandra ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Chandra, you can.
சுரேஷ் குமார் சார், குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
Evening.
அப்புறம் உங்களோட கிளிப்பிங்ஸ்ல மோஸ்ட்லி ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் அண்ட் கிட்ஸ் இருந்தது. அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது பாக்குறதுக்கு. அந்த வார்த்தைகளை வேர்ட்ஸ் படிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த ஃபேஸ், அந்த ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் பார்க்க எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது. அதுக்கு நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லிக்கிறேன். அப்புறம் நீங்க வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு திருக்குறளை வந்து எடுத்து சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க. அந்த திருக்குறளே எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அதுக்குள்ள போனா அது ஒரு கடல், அதுல இல்லாத விஷயம் அதுக்கு நீங்க தனியா ஒரு செஷன் வைக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க. மறக்காம எனக்கு இன்வைட் பண்ணிடுங்க, எனக்கு அது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அதுல நீங்க சொல்லுங்க அந்த விஷயமும் ரொம்ப சரியா இருந்தது. எவ்வளவு செல்வங்கள் இருந்தா கூட நம்ம கைண்ட்னஸ்ன்றதுதான் ரொம்ப இருக்கிறதுலயே ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பெரிய செல்வம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு
சொல்லிருக்கீங்க. அது படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் கைண்ட்னஸ் a master key to wellness.
கண்டிப்பாங்க சார், ரொம்ப ரொம்ப எனக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தது. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து நம்மளோட டிஎன்ஏலே வந்து கைண்ட்னஸ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நீங்க சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க. அது கேட்கறதுக்கு இன்னும் சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது. என்னன்னா சில சமயம் வெளியில நடக்கிற விஷயங்கள்லாம் கேட்கும் போது இன்னும் எதிர்காலத்துல எல்லாம் மக்களுக்குள்ள அன்பு இருக்குமா இருக்காதா, ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் புரிஞ்சுப்பாங்களா, எப்படி இந்த உலகம் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு எல்லாம் தோணும். ஆனா இப்ப இதை கேட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் கண்டிப்பா மாறாது. டிஎன்ஏலே இருக்குன்றப்ப அடிச்சுக்கிட்டாலும் சேர்ந்துக்குவாங்க அப்படின்னு தோணுது. அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. அப்புறம் நான் வந்து டாக்டர் ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் சாரோட பேஷண்ட். 3 இயர்ஸா சார் எங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அவங்க நிறைய சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த ஆப்டமிஸ்டிக் பெசிமிஸ்டிக்னா என்ன அப்படின்ட்டு அவங்க கிட்ட வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா நான் நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். அவங்க சார் சொல்லிதான் இந்த எல்லோ பான் கவுன்சிலிங் சென்டர் லிங்க் எல்லாம் கொடுத்தாங்க, ஜாயின் பண்ணோம். அதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் அவங்களுக்கு சாருக்கு தான் தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணும். கைண்ட்னஸ் பத்தி நிறைய சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, நிறைய விஷயம் சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இப்ப உங்களோட சேர்ந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா இன்னும் நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறோம். அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு. அப்புறம் ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க, கைண்ட்னஸ் வந்து குருடனும் பார்க்க முடியற, செவிடனும் கேட்க முடியற ஒரு விஷயம் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அது கைண்ட்னஸ் தான் அப்படின்ட்டு. ரொம்ப அருமை. உண்மையிலேயே அது ஃபீலிங்ஸ் தான். அது அது எப்படி சொல்றேன்னு தெரியல, ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருந்தது. அப்புறம் நிறைய விஷயம் நீங்க சொன்னது இருக்கு, அது நான் பேசிட்டே போவேன். சோ ஒரே இதை சொல்லிடுறேன். ரொம்ப பிரசன்டேஷன் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, எல்லாம் நல்லா இருந்தது. அப்புறம் வீணா மேம் மத்தியானம் உங்களோட இது வந்திருந்தேன். நான் இந்த தமிழ்ல பேசுறதுக்கு யோசனை பண்ணிட்டு அமைதியா இருந்துட்டேன். இப்ப நீங்க என்னோட ஸ்கிரீன்ல உங்க ஃபேஸ் தான் தெரியுது, சிரிச்ச முகமா. அதனால நான் உங்ககிட்ட சொல்லிடுறேன். உங்களோட இதுவும் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. மீட்டிங் நல்லா கண்டக்ட் பண்ணிருந்தீங்க. நீங்க சொன்ன விஷயங்கள் எல்லாமே எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. அதுக்கு நான் இப்ப தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லிக்கிறேன். ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
மிக்க நன்றி சந்திரா மேம்.
நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி தமிழ்ல பேசுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்குது. அப்புறம் நீங்க அங்க ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க, எந்த விஷயம் முடியற விஷயம் நல்ல விதமா முடிஞ்சிருக்குன்னா கண்டிப்பா அதோட ஆரம்பமும் நல்லாதான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்ட்டு. அதை நீங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் சொன்னீங்க. நான் அதை அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணதை நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். மோஸ்ட்லி என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, ஆரம்பிக்கிறது எப்படியா வேணா இருக்கட்டும்பா, முடியறது சரியா இருந்தா பரவாயில்ல, போகும் பாதை எப்படி வேணா இருக்கட்டும், ஏறுற இடம் நல்லா இருக்கா, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் கேட்டுதான் பழக்கம். நீங்க வந்து வேற ஒரு கோணத்துல சொன்னீங்க, முடியறது சரியா இருக்கும் பட்சத்துல ஆரம்பமும் சரியா தானே இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எனக்கு அது ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்ததுங்க.
Thank you.
Thank you ma'am.
Induja, you can unmute yourself and then you can say. You can now.
Yes sir, thank you for unmuting me and good evening sir. It was a wonderful session sir, and I have one doubt sir. Shall I? Yes sir, இப்போ வந்து நாம ஒருத்தங்கள்ட்ட ஒரு குட் இன்டென்ஷன்ல தான் பேசுவோங்க சார். கைண்ட்னஸ் தான் எல்லாமே வந்து இப்ப நம்ம ஒருத்தவங்கள்ட்ட வந்து குட் இன்டென்ஷன்ல பேசுறோம் அப்படின்னா ஆப்போசிட்ல இருக்கிறவங்களும் நம்ம குட் இன்டென்ஷன்ல தான் நம்மகிட்ட பேசுறாங்க அப்படிங்கறது நம்ம ஜட்ஜ் பண்ண முடியாதுங்க சார். ஸோ பர்சனலா ஐ ஹேட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இன் போத் டைம்ஸ் சார். எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார், நான் அவங்கள்ட்ட குட் இன்டென்ஷன்ல பேசுவேன் சார். ஆனா அவங்க அந்த கைண்ட்னஸை மிஸ்யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ காமனா பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can take our parents sir, they will say why you want to do that, why you are showing kindness, அவங்க எப்படி இருக்காங்களோ அப்படியே நீ ரியாக்ட் பண்ணு, நீ ஏன் கைண்ட்னஸா இருக்கணும், நீ இப்படி இருக்க கூடாது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி மேக்ஸிமம் பீப்புள் அப்படியே சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அந்த பீப்புள்ஸ் எப்படி நம்ம ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும் சார்?
See, for that only I given the quote given by Mother Teresa. Even if you do many good things to the people, the same people will do wrong wrong thing for you, they will give more pain to you. That we have to understand that this kind of people will be there. But
Yes, sir.
when you change your thought unkind to the people, and the people who really need of kindness, they may suffer. So that is the
Yes,
point we have to take it. And we have to look into that like Anna Parave. Take that good thing in that, and we have to take it only. They get this kind of benefit when they are untrue to the people who are kind to them.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. It was a wonderful session, sir, about kindness. And Dr. Veena ma'am and Dr. Chandra ma'am, a special thanks to both ma'am. Nalla session, ma'am. It was really good, ma'am. It's all about Dr. Suresh Kumar, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for including me in that optimism WhatsApp group. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you, Vijay. So anybody would you like to share your just let me know, and we will wind up today's session.
Yes, and thank you so much, sir. And now I call upon Shubha ma'am to please place vote of thanks. Ma'am, a few words from you will really make this session.
Yes. I think Dr. Subhasri, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, we are not able to hear you. I think you are unmute, but we are not able to hear you. இன்னும் கேட்கல.
இப்ப கேக்குதா?
Yes, fine.
Thank you so much, Suresh, for the wonderful session. It was so meaningful session because we know how much kindness actually, make us together actually. And we all have been tied up with this beautiful act of kindness, and as well as, the entire mental health webinar started with the idea of,
Kindness.
you started with an idea of spreading the awareness and helping people who are needy. And it is not at all with the notion of any kind of a bigger vision or mission inside when we started. We just floated with a feel of let's do something. Let's do something from our side, what we are capable of. So that is the act of kindness. I see that it is spreading across and it is rooted very well. And it is also, I have given in the chat box, there is no limit for kindness. You need not restrict yourself like a tree. When it grows with the branches and leaves outside, the roots are inside also growing. So there is no limits at all. There is no, kind of an expectation also for the kindness. So you beautifully explained and also gave a detailed account of how we can nurture kindness also. That was fantastic. I really enjoyed the entire session. I was really thoroughly listening to the entire points. And we all, I know you and also many of our team members practice kindness as every day, act. And thank you so much. So please accept the gratitude from the Department of Psychology, Madurai American College, and as well as Madras School of Social Work, and all the associates and wonderful participants from the workshop, and as well as our own mental health webinar series, and our core team members who are really grateful to you because you've been the very great support for all of us to start and initiate this entire mental health webinar. And as well as we have been webbed together because of you as a pillar, you are center of, pillar for all of us. Thank you so much, Suresh, for your wonderful act of kindness.
Thank you so much.
So, thank you so much, Shubha ma'am. Very nice hearing you. And participants, kindly send your queries and feedback to my webinar feedback@gmail.com. We will meet tomorrow at another wonderful session. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye. Thank you, sir.